So we're reading for the sign of Sagittarius. So all that I need to know from now to the end of the month. So let's see what's happening with you. First three cards are going to be regarding like what's coming up for you in the next 2 weeks. And then we'll move on to your person. Let's see what's going on with Sagittarius for the next couple of weeks. So right now with Page of Swords, you guys could be very defensive or have got defensive. You guys are just being protective about yourself. Okay, you are not feeling safe or like around the person you live with or you stay connected with, and you are resisting yourself from completely being a part of it. Reason being, you do not trust them completely. Okay, you guys could have got into a spat or an argument where things have got a bit messed up, and I do not see you exactly open to reconnecting or being very vocal with this person again. Rather, you're going to distance yourself or maintain like a complete distance from this person from now on. Okay, one more card. What actually is happening in Sagittarius life currently? Some of you might be also stalking this person, but not exactly talking to them. Some of you might be having with Six of Pentacles. I see you trying to find balance in your life. Okay, trying to find a common ground between your work life and financial life. You might have also got hit in terms of financial aspect, where things are not going very well. Some of you might be having to pay someone, or someone has to pay you back and that person is not paying you back, or vice versa. You guys could be struggling financially as well, or finding balance. If you guys are doing well financially, it's about finding balance in life, which you do not have right now. What else? With Ace of Cups, I do believe there is a very strong chance that you guys might meet someone new altogether after you let go of the past relationship that you are not very open to. In the past with Four of Cups, you did feel like something in the past did not go your way. Okay, you guys are still trying to find that like you guys are still trying to move on from it or still trying to get away from it, but I still feel you guys still feel bit hurt and bit disappointed as well. Some of you might be feeling a little depressed as well, but that's going to be okay. Okay, with Ace of Cups, I do feel there's a new love coming in your life for sure. One more card in terms of where things are going forward. With the Hermit card, you guys are kind of not exactly wanting to stay open to new things right now. You guys are trying to just heal from whatever you've been through. Okay, trying to find answers, trying to go within, trying to heal and move forward, and not just get or move to another connection. If you don't feel ready for it. Okay, in terms of your person, one card for your person. What are they going through? In terms of your person with Eight of Cups, this person is distant emotionally. They are unavailable. Okay, this person has been very focused on their finances, or like getting somewhere financially. They want to make a name for themselves, or they are all about their financial aspect, or their like success as a businessman, as a businesswoman, whatsoever. Like one more card. What else do you see happening in your person's life right now? Sagittarius soulmate. Yeah, with Eight of Pentacles, I definitely see this person working very hard on their finances and working on getting better financially. Not so much on the like connection, but rather on their finances. In terms of how they're thinking about you now. In terms of how they're thinking about you now. With Three of Swords, they do feel a heartbreak that you are not around and things do not go their way or your way. And the connection right now is messed up. They are confused regarding where things are going. They do feel a separation with you. But, like let's see, in terms of their intention, how are they wanting to come forward? With Three of Cups, some of you, this person does want to maintain friendship. If you guys cannot still have a relationship, due to whatever circumstances, this person at least wants to maintain a friendship, if not a relationship. Okay, in terms of like what are they wanting to have with you now, or what do they want from this connection now? With Ace of Swords, they do want to speak the truth. They do want to clarify certain things. They do want to have a conversation, and an honest one. Okay, one more card. In terms of their feelings right now, how do they truly feel for you? In terms of their feelings, they are holding back. This person hasn't been very expressive. Okay, in the past they could have showed some signs of being interested, wanting more, but right now they are just holding back. Okay, just not ready for it. Okay, one more card. What do they truly have in their heart space for you? In terms of their heart space as well, I see this person extremely cold and detached, not a very emotional person, somewhat bit boring to be honest. Okay, this might be a air sign for selected few of you. If not an air sign, I feel this could be a possible like water sign as well. I see Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, one more card. In terms of how are they wanting to come forward towards you now, how are they wanting to come forward towards Sagittarius? In terms of how they want to come forward, I see them distant, darling, to be honest. Okay, they might want to converse or have a conversation, but it's going to be very straightforward, non-emotional, and not, like possibly nothing to do with the relationship. Rather, they want to maintain the connection in terms of friendship, or keep it cordial or keep it formal, but like nothing emotional, to be honest. So what are they wanting to offer you? What are they wanting to offer you now? With Page of Wands, I only see them wanting to communicate or message, or like possibly stay in talking terms with you. Nothing more than that, to be honest. Okay, where things are going for now, for Sagittarius and their person. With Ten of Wands, things are still going to be very like wishy-washy. This person might tell you exactly why things are happening, this way, or they might open up about certain secrets in their life. But I still see you being burdened by this connection, not really happy in this connection. But I do feel there's new love coming in. Regarded, you are open to it. If you're not open to it, you'll have to be a part of this bullshit that you're being a part of. But yes, okay. In terms of how do they view you now? How do they view you? With Queen of Cups, they still know that you have feelings for them, or you wanted this somehow. You are the one who really loved them in the past. They know it. With the Sun card, you did make them happy once, okay, and they did have feelings for you. But right now, I see their sole focus being their finances, and not even another person, but their financial life. Okay, this might go vice versa for selected few of you, but yes, in terms of how do they view the connection. With King of Pentacles, they feel like they could have had a solid connection with you, but they have missed an opportunity or they lost an opportunity. They do regret certain things, but they are not very positive about it. Okay, so one card for where things could go in the near future in this connection, where things could go. With Ace of Wands, there will be a possibility for a new beginning. Regarded, you still stay open and still stay patient with them. Okay. With the Lovers card, they will want to choose you, but not now in the near future. Right now, they are totally trying to focus on their finances. Okay. One more card. What should Sagittarius be knowing? Trust issues. So you definitely could be having trust issues right now. One more card. Won't give commitment, won't let you go either. Narcissist, just like I told you, this person isn't ready for something solid yet. Ego, pride, ego definitely kind of got in the way in the recent past. Okay, and I see right now this person, if they hold on to you, they'll just be wasting your time. Okay, so you don't have to entertain that. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Sagittarius for the next 2 weeks. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All those who want a personal reading from me, please reach out on my website. If you're from India, you could reach out on my WhatsApp. Okay, thank you so much for coming in. I hope you have a great week ahead. Cheers.